In this video, we'll learn how to export After Effects to MP4 without using Media Encoder. Start by making sure your project is opened. Before exporting, check your work area. It should end exactly where your clip ends. If it's longer, the exported video will include extra empty space. To adjust it, just drag the end of the work area to match your clip. Now, go to the top menu bar. Click on File, then hover your mouse over Export and click on Add to Render Queue. This will open a new panel at the bottom of the screen called the Render Queue. In this panel, click on the blue text next to Output module. This will open the Output Settings window. Under Format, click the drop-down and select H.264. This is the MP4 format. Leave all the other settings as they are, then click OK. Now click on the blue text next to Output 2. This is where you choose where to save your file. In the File Explorer window, make sure the Save As type says MP4. Choose a location, give your file a name, and click Save. Finally, click on the Render button. After Effects will now export your project directly as an MP4 file without needing Media Encoder. That's how you export After Effects to MP4 without using Media Encoder. Thanks for watching.